Well, here's a modeling job that I'm starting to undertake. This model is well, let's see if I can say it correctly. It's a Great Plains Super Sportster 40 from 1982. I bought it new. It was a kit, and I built the kit. Okay, and then it had an accident. It was involved in an accident. But this is the tail, and I'm doing a diagnosis, and I'm looking at things like the control horns and the push rods, and they're in good shape. And other than the dirt and wear and tear, it's in good shape. From that, what's left of it is I noticed that I really reinforced this joint here with balsa. I'm not sure it's balsa, but anyway, it's a fillet. I know it's epoxy. Might be spruce, but maybe that's why I didn't cove it because it's so hard. But I reinforced this. In the accident, this got bent, and it's bent in two places. I've got to straighten that. I can do that, not a problem. I lost the tail wheel. I don't know where that is. I'll have to replace that. That's not a problem. The other concern is well, let's look at this piece. This is oops. This is the horizontal stabilizer, and this is got epoxy under here, so this is really hard. And then it's got a lot of hanger rash, no doubt about that. But what's here is still good. It's just going to have to be repaired. This is I can fit this, and I can make this as stronger than it was originally with epoxy and fiberglass. I can do that. And my only concern is going to be that I get it level with the other horizontal stab over there. Got to do that. Then the vertical stab here. This is epoxy back here, so this is real hard. I did that so that the control horn would not tear out. All the hinges, this one's got to go. It's broken. All the hinges are pinned. They're epoxied in place and they're pinned. So I don't think I'm going to have a problem with the hinges. So I'm going to use the hinges. And this is going to go. This fits. I mean, it fits just like a glove, you know, where it came apart. Fits right in there. And I can make that stronger than the original too. I have to make sure I've got the make sure it's straight and true. That's the only thing. Now, of course, the Monocoat will when I put a hot iron to this Monocoat, that'll all flatten out and clean up. That's not a problem. Got some work to do, that's for sure. It's just going to take some time, but that's what old school modeling was all about. It just it just took time to get things done. That's the way it was, and that's the way it still is for me. So anyways, that's that. The 1982 Great Plains Super Sportster.